Just got back home from my clinic, brewed a nice green tea with some nettle leaves, and I just like the taste of it. It's great for my health too. It's been day 5 of having almost 3 patients a day who have flown in from Delhi and some of them from Mumbai with lung issues, CKD. Their own doctors have asked them to leave Delhi and leave Mumbai. I mean, healthcare has come to this point where we've actually become sick care, where we may have medicines to treat a patient, we may have nutrition and lifestyle to treat a patient. We have patients who are willing to do the work to get better. But guess what? The air that we breathe is poisonous to the extent that nothing more can work except changing their environment. This is going to get worse. This is not going to get better. Again, I'm repeating, we can sit down and blame the government every day, or the people have to unite and come together to understand that this is no more about being resilient, no more about being a strong, let's bounce back, etc. When the pollution levels decrease, which is probably going to be in March once the winter settles down, we all go back to our lives. But children are being born with pneumonia. Children are being born with asthma. Lung cancer is going to hit people in their 20s and 30s, or probably even before that. This is a public health emergency. And again, I'm going to be upfront with you. I can't sit here and preach and tell everyone to leave Delhi and Mumbai itself. I can't leave Mumbai right now as much as I would like to. There's practicality, there are life problems, there's all of that stuff. But if you have the ability to change the area in which you live, do it now. I would say that would be one of the biggest investments you can do for your health right now. You can spend a ton of medicines a ton of money on medicines, nutraceuticals, you can make lung potions, you can do all of that. Please don't stop doing that. But the point is, the biggest investment that is going to work for us is one that gives us clean air. And if the only choice is to leave where we live right now, and you can afford that investment, or you have the ability to make that investment, let's say you work from home, get out of Delhi right now, work from anywhere else in India or anywhere in the world that allows you, supports you. I never thought there would come a day when I say this, but if you're planning to have a child right now in the next couple of months, you need to think about the kind of environment that you're getting in. I'm not here to give you advice on how to raise your families. I'm here to tell you that, hey, if you want a healthy child, and everyone wants a healthy child, the environment is not going to support you right now. It's time we all start making the right decisions for our health. If we have the ability to do it, we do it. If we don't, we try to cope with it. We try to wear our masks, do whatever it is that we can make the situation better. But we have to understand that there is nothing that can improve our health if the quality of our air is poor. We got to come together, people. We need to appeal together. We need to decide to unite. But how's that going to work in a country where everyone is already pulling one another down, whether on social media and society, etc.? And that's what the top loves. They love to see people divided. They love to see people conquered, fighting against each other, so that everything happening is kind of forgotten, or, we don't have time for that because we're too busy spreading hatred and anger amongst one another. The sooner we see through this and we come together, there is a possibility for change. But the power of the people, it's the power of the people that now has to come together to make this one change.
Stay tuned for more. We're going to continue our journey, learning, sharing, and evolving.